2021 Retro 4 Lightnings. A lot of hype around these shoes releasing. They actually going for a decent amount over sticker. This is what it's going to look like in the naked eye, because I know China's going to dupe these and try to fool all you guys. Take a look at the treads. Look at the pull tab. The mesh isn't that soft there, to be honest with you. It's kind of tough. It's actually real tough. The toe box. Quality control is pretty good on these. Take a look at the tongue. Take a look at the box. Let me show you guys the box tag so you guys can pause this video, because they can never seem to get the tag right. That's what your shit should look like. If it doesn't look exactly like that, your shit is fugazi. They did a good job on these, man. It's a nice colorway. Different. I hit on these sneakers app, by the way. It's a rare win. This and the off-whites I hit on, surprisingly. Inside the box. And that will match that. That will match that. No, those numbers there. But that's them. I would pick these up. These seem to be going for a substantial amount of money over right now, sticker, and I do believe they will just keep going up. $350 probably, maybe even more.